Good
So,
morning.
folks, Manya is a third grader. So, very one of our youngest kids. So, Manya, go for it.
Yeah, I'm 7 years old.
Hello everyone. Today I'm going to share you how I made the speech translator. So I went to a show and I wanted to have a doll, but there was a problem. The doll could only speak French and I did not know French. So then I had an idea. Why not build a language translator using Python? So we first started by searching input speech recognition and translator libraries, defining the sound recognition on
On our system.
on our system, set the mic to use on our machine. Then create a speech recognition object. The built-in microphone, built-in output. Set mic to use the built-in microphone. Let's speak something in English to translate. Hi, I would like to have some milk. So here I tell that here is the voice ID.
You're selecting which one to use. You're finding.
So here I'm finding which one to select. Here assign the voice and language. So here it translates English into French.
Je voudrais avoir du lait.
So this is how it works.
And now Mama has to buy me.
And now Mom has to buy me the doll.